Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a review of a truly unique body care product, the Vanilla Talc-Free Dusting Powder. This powder is designed with ingredients like Arrowroot, soothing oats, zinc, and magnesium, and it's completely free from talc and baking soda, which makes it a healthier option for those looking for an effective, natural powder. The product is produced by a small family-run business based in the USA, which adds to its appeal for those who prioritize supporting smaller brands. One of the standout features is the use of magnesium to help deodorize while keeping you fresh throughout the day. Soothing oats and zinc work together to relieve redness and chafing, making this a fantastic choice for people who suffer from irritation due to sweat or constant movement. Using this powder is a breeze. It's lightweight, easy to apply, and it doesn't leave a heavy residue. Whether you're using it post-shower or as a midday freshen-up, it quickly absorbs excess moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. I personally found it to be effective in keeping areas prone to sweat dry and comfortable, especially during warmer days. Now, in terms of performance, this dusting powder does a remarkable job. It's not just for deodorizing. It's also great for preventing chafing in areas like your thighs, underarms, or even your feet. Its vanilla scent is subtle, not overpowering, so you can easily layer it with your favorite fragrances without clashing. On the pro side, it's talc-free and baking soda-free, which means you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals or ingredients that may irritate sensitive skin. Its soothing properties come from natural sources like oats and arrowroot, and the inclusion of zinc is a nice touch for its anti-inflammatory benefits. However, a minor downside could be the price point. It's slightly higher compared to some mainstream body powders. That said, the quality and ingredient list more than justify the cost, especially if you're someone with sensitive skin or allergies to talc or baking soda. If we compare it to other similar products on the market, it's worth noting that while there are cheaper alternatives, few offer the same balance of natural ingredients and performance. Some products might contain baking soda, which can be harsh on sensitive skin, or they rely on artificial fragrances, which can be off-putting for some users. And if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all of Beautyistic's latest reviews. In terms of build quality, the powder is finely milled, ensuring smooth application without clumping. The packaging is simple but functional, and it's clear that the focus here is on what's inside, which I really appreciate. Overall, would I recommend this product? Absolutely. It's a thoughtful, well-made powder that excels in comfort and performance. Whether you're prone to chafing or just need something to keep you feeling fresh throughout the day, this powder is worth checking out. I'd say it's particularly well-suited for people who prefer natural products or who have sensitive skin. Thank you for watching today's review on Beautyistic. If you're interested in picking up this product, check out the link in the description. And if you already own it, let me know in the comments what you think. Feel free to ask any questions you might have as well. I'd be happy to help.